Have you ever sent an AutoCAD drawing to a client, colleague, consultant, or contractor only to hear them say that half the drawing is missing? Maybe the Xrefs are not loading, images show as blank boxes, PDF underlays have disappeared, or AutoCAD displays messages about missing reference files. This is one of the most common file sharing problems in AutoCAD. The drawing itself may be present, but the external files linked to it remain on your computer, making them unavailable to anyone else. Fortunately, AutoCAD provides simple tools that allow you to package everything together so the recipient receives a complete project with all Xrefs, images, fonts, plot style tables, data links, and other required resources. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to send an AutoCAD file with all external references attached so the recipient can open it without missing data. Before sending any drawing, it is important to understand how Xrefs and external files work. When you attach an Xref, image, PDF underlay, DWF underlay, point cloud, or other external reference, AutoCAD usually stores only the path to that file, rather than embedding the actual file inside the DWG. This keeps the drawing size smaller, but creates problems when the project is transferred to another computer. If the linked files are not included, AutoCAD cannot find them and displays missing reference warnings. The first step is verifying that all references are working correctly on your own computer. Open the drawing and type Xref in the command line, then press Enter. The External References palette will appear. Review all listed references and make sure none show a status of Not Found or Unloaded. If any references are missing, reconnect them before continuing. There is no point packaging a drawing that already contains broken links. Next, check image references. Type Image Attach or open the External References palette and review all attached images. Confirm that logos, site photographs, maps, and scanned drawings display correctly. Also, verify PDF underlays and other attached resources. Everything should be functioning properly before creating the package. Now let's use the best tool for sharing complete AutoCAD projects. Type eTransmit in the command line and press Enter. The Create Transmittal dialog box will open. This tool was specifically designed to package drawings and all dependent files into a single transferable package. AutoCAD automatically scans the drawing and identifies Xrefs, images, fonts, plot style tables, data links, and other required resources. In the Transmittal dialog box, review the file list. You should see the main drawing along with all related files that AutoCAD plans to include. Click Transmittal Setups if you want to customize the package. Most users can keep the default settings, but it is worth checking that Bind Xrefs is configured according to project requirements. In most cases, keeping Xrefs as separate files within the package provides the greatest flexibility. Choose whether you want the package created as a zip file or a folder. Zip is usually the best option because it keeps everything together and makes sharing easier through email, cloud storage, or file transfer services. Specify a destination location and click OK. AutoCAD will gather all required files and create a complete package automatically. Once the zip file is created, do not send it immediately. First, test it yourself. Extract the package into a new folder on your computer and open the DWG from that location. If all Xrefs, images, fonts, and references load correctly, you can be confident that the recipient will receive a complete project. If you need a completely self-contained drawing without separate Xref files, you can bind Xrefs before sending. Open the Xref palette, select the reference, and choose Bind. This converts the Xref into a part of the DWG file itself. However, use this carefully because binding can increase file size and may make future updates more difficult. Another useful practice is using relative paths instead of full paths for references. Relative paths make projects more portable because AutoCAD looks for files relative to the drawing location rather than searching for a specific folder on your computer. You can review path settings in the Xref palette before creating the package. If the recipient reports missing fonts or plotting issues, include plot style files and custom fonts through eTransmit. The tool can automatically gather these dependencies, ensuring the drawing displays and prints correctly on another system. So, to summarize, verify that all Xrefs and images are working, open the eTransmit command, review the file list, create a zip package containing all dependent files, test the package before sending, and use relative paths whenever possible. Following these steps ensures that your AutoCAD drawing arrives complete and opens correctly on the recipient's computer without missing references. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to send AutoCAD files with all Xrefs and images attached. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD tips, troubleshooting tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.